Mga kabaro, makakasama po natin ngayon na presidente ng Learn and Train Sports Academy na si Attorney Sid Castro Tayag. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa 3rd LTSA Invitational dito po sa LTSA San Juan para mai-cover po natin ito at masaksihan natin yung ating mga future gymnasts ng Philippines. And of course, nandun rin yung ating mga visiting gymnasts sa from Japan. At kanina, nandun ang ating Paris Olympics double gold medalist Kalo Yulo and of course si GAP President Sid Chancayon. So Ma'am Sid, magandang hapon and welcome to Sports Corner PH.
Hi everyone, magandang hapon.
First of all, congratulations in advance sa inyong successful meet. Alam ko di pa tapos pero nakita naman natin na of course high level ang competition kasi mga Pinoy and of course the visiting Japan gymnasts are here dito sa LTSA Invitational. So tell us more about itong 3rd LTSA Invitational, and this is the first time na dito gagawin sa inyong pinakamalaking branch ng LTSA sa ngayon.
Thank you. So every year meron kaming invitational, tsaka ang special week invitational namin, meron kaming recreational level sa mga bagong gymnasts, pero we also host an FIG high caliber, high level competition. Kagaya nito yung nangyayari ngayon, yung FIG. So we invite teams from Japan and other countries para angat talaga yung level ng gymnastics ng team namin.
And of course, dito masasaksihan natin yung ating mga future stars, not just the LTSA but the other Philippine clubs as well, perform against the Japanese and other countries na bumisita dito. Ano ba yung na-expect niyo? Dahil alam natin mas mataas yung competition nitong LTSA Invitational compared sa mga iba pa mga gymnastics meets all around the Philippines.
Thank you. So ang goal namin for our girls is to compete and to upgrade all their skills as much as they can and to do the best that they can. So parang we're thinking of this as a practice competition kasi yung FIG team namin, meron kaming competition sa Bangkok at saka sa Hong Kong this year. We're gearing up for a big year next year, so talagang we're doing what we can to have them compete and bring American coaches here and send them to training camps para ma-prepare sila na mabuti.
And this is actually the first time na gagawin itong LTSA Invitational. And in fairness, itong lugar natin, ang LTSA San Juan batch, mas malaki ito at mas malawak ang space. Kaya pwede itong pagdarausan ng iba't ibang mga competition kagaya nito. Kasi dati, noong mga past 2 editions, nakapagrenta kayo sa ibang lugar. Pero dito mismo sa home turf kayo nagko-competition sa ngayon. How are you with that?
Yes, we're happy to have a training facility na malaki na talagang kompleto yung equipment. 6 months pa lang, actually June kami nagbukas, and so happy kami na makahost kami ng competition dito. It's a training facility pero hold din kami ng high level competition dito kasi meron kami complete FIG equipment.
And makakatuwa dahil bukod niya sa LTSA, meron din mga iba pa mga visiting clubs na pumunta rito sa baseball competition. Can you highlight them, of course, Ma'am Sid?
So of course we have Let's Gymnastics Club from Nagoya, Japan, and Nikade Okai from Japan, from Tokyo, in our FIG competition. And we also have teams from Singapore, from Bangkok, Indonesia, competing in our recreational lower level competition.
Okay, after nito, next week magkakaroon kayo ng LTSA World Cup at nandito na rin sa Pilipinas sa ilan sa mga prominent gymnastics coaches, mga top caliber gymnastics coaches. Narito na sila para at least makakuha ng dagdag na kaalaman at of course kasanayan yung ating mga Pinoy gymnasts para marating nila yung competition form and of course yung makakuha nila ang podium. So, can you share to us yung mga detalye tungkol sa World Cup natin next week?
Next week, meron kaming One World Cup. Nandito, we invited 7 American coaches, including Olympic coaches and former Olympians, para maturuan yung mga gymnasts namin at para rin ma-train yung mga coaching staff namin. So, 1 week camp siya and super excited kami at super happy kami na nandito yung mga coaches to visit namin.
Any other plans nga pala for LTSA? Alam ko, nabanggit mo kanina, meron kayong 2 pang international competitions here. And then what else? Ano yung mga abangan natin for the team?
Abangan na lang, follow our Instagram page to find out more. We have a lot of exciting things planned next year, including a very exciting coaching course, which is really for coaches that LTSA will be hosting for our own coaches.
Lastly, nakita natin yung teaser kanina, August 2025, dito gaganapin yung ating FIG Junior World Championship. Talagang paghahandaan ng gusto itong LTSA and of course yung mga gymnast ninyo dahil ibang klaseng competition, World Championships na. Yung mga magagaling na mga gymnast sa junior level, mag-aarap-arap. Ano masasabi niya rito sa pagkaka-host niya, upcoming ng Junior World Championship?
Very exciting development yun kasi syempre to have world caliber gymnasts come here is very exciting para talagang ma-improve yung level ng mga gymnasts natin. And kami, we're gonna work really hard. We have 4 juniors that we're gonna be training very hard. Next year, we'll send them to training camps and get a foreign coach to help them be prepared. So sana makasala sila.
Okay, Attorney Sid, so until tomorrow yung mismong LTSA Invitational, pero please invite all those na pupunta dito sa LTSA Salwan to visit and to watch yung ating gymnast. And of course, magpasalamat ka lang sa lahat ng mga taga-support ng LS. Of course, Sports Corner PH will be here to help itong competition. Please go ahead, Attorney Sid.
Thank you so much to all the followers of Sports Corner PH and Sports Corner PH for always supporting LTSA. And please follow our social media pages para makita niyo yung mga exciting events that we have planned for 2025.
And of course, may bukas pa ha, syempre.
Tomorrow, yes, ALP competition happening in LTSA San Juan.
Okay, Attorney Sid, it's nice to meet you and it's a pleasure to talk to you. More power and congratulations sa LTSA. God bless po. Okay.